Hello, viewers, and welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual TV. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And today, I have come with another power packed spiritual bomb that when it explodes, boy, your enemies will be running helter-skelter in their camp. Are you that man? Are you that woman? Are you that family that has been placed under the surveillance of the witches and wizards? Under the monitor of the enemies? Whatever you are doing in town, they are there in the village and they are giving you the report of what you are doing in the city. You go to your office, they monitor you. While you are sleeping on your bed, they are monitoring you. And they are manipulating you by the reason of their evil eyes that they have programmed and projected to search you out wherever you go. Now, if you are in this situation, this particular video is for you. Blind your enemies with black clothes. Yes, that's just what you need. In this particular video, I am going to teach you how you are going to close the monitoring eyes of your enemies that has been monitoring you all this while using just black pieces of clothes like this. Someone will say, Brother Chima, you have several types of means to destroy the enemy. Yes, it is grace and it is divine knowledge and divine revelation. Yes, as technology improve physically, so technology improve spiritually, and God is the owner of technology. So every one of the under the monitor of any evil person, this particular video will go a long way to help you to blind their eyes. Because if their eyes is blinded and they are not seeing you, it will help you to achieve things faster. Because they see things that are coming to you spiritually before you see it. And they come there in the spiritual realm to either divert it or block it or scatter it in order not to come, for it not to come to you. If you read the book of Daniel chapter 10, Daniel prayed. And on the first day he prayed, God released the answer to his prayers by sending him an angel. But unfortunately, the priest of Persia went to the ear and he withheld the angels that are coming with the answer of Daniel's prayer. He withheld it for 3 weeks, which is 21 days, until Daniel went back praying again and be asking question. This is not how I pray to God. I have prayed and I have been expecting an answer from God. Why is my answer not coming forth? Then he prayed again and God answered and opened his eye. And he saw an angel coming with the answer of his prayers. Yes, that the prince of patience has hold until angel Michael comes and release the angel, for the angel to release Daniel prayers for Daniel. So if the spirit of patience was not monitoring Daniel's prayer, he won't be able to see when the angel was coming down with the answer of Daniel's prayer. Now, let me tell you, you are there praying and fasting. Yes, you are doing the right thing. Yes, the Bible says you should watch and pray. Yes, when you pray, you must receive an answer to your prayer. Because that was what Daniel do that made God to release the blessings of his prayer. Some of our prayers has been blocked by our enemies, by spiritual eyes. So what do we do this morning? We take it by force. Yes. And if this is your first time of joining us on this channel, do not forget, my name is Brother Chima, Prince, Martha, and I am a spiritualist. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual messages using the power of God, the power of the ancestors, the power of the universe in order to manifest our spiritual tips. You have to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to this channel. How are you going to subscribe? Please look down below on this video. On your right hand side, you will see a red subscription button. Just click on it and turn the notification bell to all, so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. Give me a thumbs up on my videos and comment on the comment section if there is anything you don't understand I say on here. And if you need any contribution to do for the channel to move forward, don't forget to put it on the comment section. To my returning subscribers, old and new, my returning viewers, oya, take it. Boza, boza, boza. God bless you. Now, if you refuse to let us be, we will not let you be. That is our own principle. Yes. I don't believe in I didn't do anybody. God know I didn't do anybody. So if they do me, it no go work. Now lie. If you don't wake up spiritually, if they do you, at a snap of a finger, it will work. Yes. Don't die a miserable death. Whether you die well, whether you die miserable, God does not bother. He has given us the resources to defend ourselves. And today is how to blind the eyes of our enemies. And it's not going to take us long. What do you need? You need a black cloth like this. That is what you need to blind the eyes of the enemies. Every monitoring spirit, every monitoring mirror. A black cloth like this. And a pen. You need a pen and a sheet of paper like this. Just very simple. It's very simple remedy, but very powerful. You know that enemy in the village, in your place of work, in your place of business, that has been monitoring you bomber to bomber, time to time. That evil neighbor, evil uncle, evil landlord, evil landlady, evil neighbor, evil sister, evil brother, evil oga, evil boss, evil neighbor, witches and wizard. You know the name. Just write the name on this paper. Let me show you. Let me say Linda, for instance. Linda. Yes. Let me say Linda is the name, for instance. You write the name Linda. 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 Mike. Then, after writing it, you pass your decree like this. You, Linda Mike, by the name of Jesus Christ, as I carry out this particular spiritual action, that evil eyes that you have been using to monitor me up and down, to monitor my marriage, to monitor my family, to monitor my activities, today I blind that eyes. Today I blind that mirror that you are using to monitor me. As I fold this paper, I blind your eyes. The evil eyes you are using to monitor me. Then you fold your paper like this. Yes. You fold your paper. You fold it. After you have folded it like this, then what do? You carry this paper that contains the enemies that has been monitoring you. That enemy in form of your brother, your sister, your cousins. Then you bring the black cloth and put the name of the enemy. And you tie the black cloth. And you say, as I cover you with this black cloth, as this black cloth cover your name, you will no longer monitor me again. You will no longer monitor my children. You will no longer monitor my marriage. You will no longer monitor my business. You will no longer monitor my destiny. You will no longer monitor anything that concerns me. You will say the prayers as it is. You are the one that knows what is really bothering you. That person who has been monitoring you, you read Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 8. Those people that has been monitoring you with monitoring mirror, monitoring you with evil eyes, before you know it, after doing this, you will look for them and you will not see them. Now, before I tell you how to dispose this, after you have made your prayer, blinding their eyes, with a black cloth and the name of the enemy or the evil people that has been oppressing you, that has been wanting to put you down, that want to bring the end of you. Let me tell you something. After doing this, no monitoring mirror will monitor you again. No evil eyes will monitor you again. I will tell you how to dispose this. But before then, let me advertise a little bit. Now, I have spiritual product for sale, locally and organically produced, spiritually charged by me to help you remove moving objects, to help you open roads. Yes, we have course breaking soap, road opening soap, back to sender soap, anti-witchcraft soap, anti-witchcraft cream. We also have favor soap. We have bracelets, protection bracelets, attraction bracelets, back to sender bracelets. And then we have the Equable Plus spiritual detox that help you remove any moving object in your body. Maybe they have fed you in the dream, and since then it has been from one affliction of the devil to the other. Maybe you have attracted positive energies. Yes, maybe you have had sex in the dream. This product will help you to remove every moving object without failure. All you need to do is to chat me on WhatsApp or call me on WhatsApp. Let's discuss on how I can get your order shipped for you through FedEx or DHL. And I also help people work on their spiritual issues and challenges. Maybe you have been trying to solve some spiritual problem by yourself, and it seems your energy level is not capable of enough. If you need a higher energy to help you, consult me, chat me, or call me. But don't forget, nothing is free, even in free time. God bless you as you do so. My phone number remains +2347088136610. And do not forget to write your comment at the comment section down below. I will be available to respond to your suggestion or to your questions that you want to ask. If there is any question you want to ask, do not hesitate to ask me, as I am open to communication. And let me tell you how you are going to dispose this particular monitoring eyes, how you are going to do it. These are remnants that you have tied down with a black cloth in order to cover their eyes. What are you going to do with it? You are going to dig a hole. Yes, dig a hole in your compound or outside your compound. Dig a hole. Yes, dig the earth. Dig the earth. That is, after digging the earth, pass a decree. Every monitoring mirror, every monitoring eyes, any man or woman monitoring my business, monitoring my future, monitoring my marriage, monitoring my relationship, monitoring my family, monitoring my business, monitoring my office, monitoring my destiny. Today, as I cover your name with a black cloth and I buried you on the Mother Earth, you will no longer see me again. This settles the prayer. You put it on the ground and cover the ground, and this has been settled. Yes. Does it work? Yes, it works perfectly, without a hesitation. Yes, we are sure of our spiritual tips on here. I have come to the end of this video at this junction. Please, if you have never subscribed to my channel, do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Remain blessed and God bless you. See you in my next video.